Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use Kindle app on Android. The Kindle app on Android allows you to read ebooks, magazines, and documents seamlessly. Here's how to use it. First, install the Kindle app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Kindle, and make sure to install it. Next, sign into your Amazon account. Open the Kindle app by tapping Open. Sign in with your Amazon account by going to More and the bottom right. Then tap on Sign in with Amazon. Next, access your library. After signing in, you'll see a Kindle library with all your purchased or downloaded books. Tap on any book cover to start reading. Next, purchase or download books. To buy books, open a browser and visit the Amazon website. Search for Kindle ebooks, purchase them, and they'll appear in your Kindle app library. To download free books, use the Kindle store within the app or explore free resources online, like Project Gutenberg. Next, read a book. Tap the book you want to read from your library. Once the book is open, swipe left or right to turn pages. Customize your reading experience. Font size. Tap the screen, then choose the A icon, and adjust the text size using the slider tool. Brightness. Use the brightness slider for comfortable reading. Themes. Switch between light, dark, or sepia modes. Next, use features while reading. Highlight text. Now on the page, tap and hold on the word, then drag to select text. Tap highlight color, so I choose yellow for this. Tap on it to save it. Add notes. After selecting text, tap Note to add your thoughts. Bookmark pages. Tap the bookmark at the top right to mark a page for later. Search. Tap on the page to reveal more features. Use the search icon at the top to find specific words or phrases in the book. Next, sync your progress. Ensure syncing is enabled by tapping on the arrow to the left in the top left corner. Go to More in the bottom right. Then Settings. Tap on Sync Now for seamless transitions. Kindle automatically syncs your reading progress, highlights, and notes across devices. Next, manage your library. Download or delete books by tapping and holding on the title. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Here, you can choose to remove, download, or permanently delete. Organize your books into collections for easier navigation by using the plus button in the top right. With these steps, you can enjoy a seamless reading experience on the Kindle app for your Android. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.